So yeah, Din, could you read that for us?
Ali is thinking of a few experiments. For each experiment, find the number of possible outcomes and describe the outcome. The first one has been done for you.
Okay.
Outcome and income.
All right. So number of possible outcomes for flipping a coin. So if you flip a coin, you say heads or tails. Okay. How many possible outcomes?
2.
2, right? Heads or tails. How about rolling a normal die? Rolling a standard die. What would you guys say?
1.
1?
But it's rolling a standard die.
A dice. You think of it as dice. We call dice. Dice is the plural, but die is the singular. Okay. So yeah, we have 6 options. Okay. So make sure you write 6 there. Okay. So you can see there would be six options there, guys. Alrighty. I can put a little picture. You can draw a picture if you want. You can fit a little die in there. Okay. Oh, that didn't work so well. Okay, so number 6 is there. So number of possible outcomes is 6. And what are the different options? 1. What are the different outcomes?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Okay. 4, 5, and 6. There we go. Okay, and then it says taking a stationery from a pencil case that has pens and pencils only.
2 possible outcomes.
Yes. Okay, there are 2 possible outcomes. What are those outcomes?
Pen and pencil.
Pen, comma, pencil. Perfecto. Okay, moving on to the next one here. It says drawing a number from a bag that has odd numbers from 1 to 15. Okay, so odd numbers, we got to write these out. I think this one's a little bit tricky. We should write these out. So odd numbers from 1 to 15. Okay, so well, I guess we should just write them out in the outcomes box, right?
7 possible outcomes.
Well, you need to count 1 as well. So 1 counts.
Yeah.
As well as does 15 counts as well. So 1, what are the rest of the odd numbers?
1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15.
All right. Okay, great. Thank you. So how many is that? That's 8 there. Okay. Whoa. Okay, hang on tight. Okay. We'll get it. Sorry, guys. It's a little sensitive. Okay, there we have 8. Okay, great. Thank you. All right, so picking a sock from a drawer that only has blue socks. Okay, so what are the outcomes? It only has blue socks. How many outcomes are there?
1.
1, right?
1.
I guess if you like, I don't know how it could be 0. No, it's got to be 1. And the outcome is what? What are you going to get?
Blue socks.
Blue socks. Okay. Whoa. All right. Blue socks. Let's see if my magic word thing here works. This is kind of cool. All right. Teacher Robert has perfect handwriting now. Okay. So drawing a bead from a bag that contains 3 yellow beads, 3 red beads, and 2 blue beads. Okay.
There are three possible outcomes.
Yes, you're correct in one. So we say there are 3 possible outcomes: yellow, red, and blue. Okay, so you could just say yellow bead, red bead, okay, blue bead. Whoops. Yellow. I could type much faster. I wonder if I could type in there if I mess it up. Okay, yellow, We can say yellow beads, right? And they could be blue beads, right? Or red
I
beads as
think you
well.
do yellow, red, blue.
Yeah, yellow, red, blue. We could do it in any order, right? And red beads as well. Let's see if I can get that in there. All right. Not sure how I put that in there. Oh gosh, I've messed this all up now, maybe. Yeah, not sure. How do I get that shrunk? There we go. Okay. All right, moving on to the next one. I think disappears. Okay, well, you guys know the answer already. Yellow, red, and blue, okay? All right, flipping two identical coins at the same time.
3 possible outcome.
Yeah, okay, so what are they? That's a great answer. Oh my gosh.
Head, head. Head,
Right.
head. Tail, tail. And
Yes.
head, tail.
All right, so we're head, head. Okay, or heads, heads, whatever you want to write. Two heads, okay? That's one. Okay, two tails, right? That's another outcome.
I think
And then heads and tails, right? And we got time up here, guys, and that's a good place to stop. Heads and tails, I think we could say. All right, and that was 3 there, so let me pull that out and make sure you got yellow, blue, red. Okay, there's your answers. Can you think of an experiment that will have 7 possible outcomes? That's your homework, okay? So hopefully you guys have got those.